Hello everyone, this is Lews Auto in Thornburg, Virginia. Today we have UU167. This is a 2010 Ford Expedition with the 5.4 liter engine in it. It has 121,367 miles on it. This came to us with a front end collision. It is shoved back kind of deep. I was able to get it to start. I do not want to keep it running. First off, it was making a hellacious noise, probably plastic hitting metal. So I don't want that, don't want to damage anything else. So we're going to go ahead and leave this to test in the bay, just so that we know, we're not going to damage anything else. Once we get the front end off there, it'll be a whole lot better. So we'll come on around the vehicle here. Looks pretty good from rear doors back. One thing is this deck lid here does have some corrosion to it. Let's see, get it open for me. Nah, it doesn't look like I can get it to open. I'll mess with a button on the inside real quick, see if we can get that to open. That's everything unlocked there. Let's see if we can get this thing to open now. Alright, there we go. So got it to open. Underside looks great. It's just this top side here does have some of this corrosion to it. So we'll hop on in, test out some of the components. Alright, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead, turn it on for you. Let you guys see the mileage. So there you go, 121,367. Go ahead, turn this radio down. The driver window, we're gonna leave it down for now. Passenger window down. Back down again. Looks like all that works just fine. We're gonna test out some mirrors here. Over here on this side. Looks like all that works just fine. Go ahead and test out the heater AC control. Looks like all that works just fine. We got the radio playing.
Now, there.
Yes, of course, we're saving you time and money.
Open.
70.
So looks like all that works. Go ahead and turn it to an FM station I can play real quick. That works just fine. There is a CD in there. As you can see, it ejected. Not sure who this is, so we'll put it in, let it play for just a second, but I'll be turning it down real quick. Alright, turn it down. Sound like classical music, which I think I can play classical music on here, but not quite sure. So that's pretty much it though. That's the long and short of it. There's no sunroof in here, no back entertainment center or anything like that. So again, this is UU167. Probably have another video of it being tested in the bay with the front end taken off of it. For right now, this is what we got. And again, it's got the 121,367 on mileage. You guys have any questions, please call Lews Auto in Thornburg, Virginia. Thank you. Bye.